Hey everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to get unbanned in Roblox. First, go to Roblox and scroll to the bottom. Click on Help. Select Need More Help. Contact support here. Click and enter your name. Next, enter your account details and email twice. Choose the device you played on. Select a category here. We need technical support. Select your specific issue and explain why you were banned. For example, write, "Hi, I got banned." Enter your account nickname. 4. Write the reason for the ban here. Yes, reason for ban. Explain why you were banned and apologize. Add, I can provide more info if needed. There. Write this. Insert your nick and ban reason, then hit send. You'll get an email reply. This was Weller with you. Like and subscribe to the channel. Have a great life, good luck, and goodbye everyone.